student who comes in on our programs here at level 6 are predominantly practical based for the first and second year. So they would be focusing on practicals in culinary, accommodation, and this setting here, which is the Connemara Training Restaurant. It's a fun learning environment, and they take the theory of the modules we teach and put them into a live practical restaurant. So for example, some days they would actually take ownership of the restaurant and they would do it at a supervisory and managerial level. So they do everything from communicating with the kitchen, communicating with the office who print the menus, delegating their fellow students into the different roles and tasks, run the order of service, and the most important thing then is that they would reflect on that experience to see what they have learned and how they might do things differently. Although it's a training environment, we treat it pretty much like the real industry. So customers would come in here and the students would treat them as if they're actually in the real industry environment. And for example, different days we could serve up to 30 people for lunch and 30 people for dinner. And from time to time then we would do certain functions held by the college or the school, and they would engage in, let's say, like a banquet service maybe for 50 or 60 guests. For graduates at level 6, they're usually at a level of supervisory level, whereby they could manage and serve a restaurant or a bar or a bistro bar, and then it's when they go on to the level 7 and 8 that they go more up higher chain into the management of senior management within hotels.